Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off navigate pages with text cursor in Brave browser. First, go ahead and open your Brave browser. Now, look at the top right corner and click on the hamburger menu, the 3 lines. Next, click on Settings on the right side. Once you're in Settings, look for the section called Accessibility. On the right side, you'll see Navigate Pages with text cursor. Just toggle it on or off depending on what you want. Another way to do this is even quicker. Simply hold down your function key and press F7. You'll get a small pop-up, and from there, just click Turn On to activate it. And once this feature is on, you can press and hold the Alt key and use the left or right arrow keys to move between web pages. And that's it. If this video helped you, kindly like and subscribe for more useful tech tips.